Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Jenna One Podcast, of course. Now, today, we are going to talk about the great Shenseea, you know what I mean? She and Megan Thee Stallion drop a song named Lick. I'm going to my honest opinion. Right now the song there 2.8 million views and it was released on January 20th, 2022. See me, you know, if you go up on social media or if you go under the comments, a lot of people now feel the song, a lot of people now they're not really receptive of the song. Basically, they must say, yo, this is not the Shenseea they expect, and she to get the chance to showcase her talent, and she feel. But to me think the song is not all that to me on Shenseea side. But Megan Thee Stallion do her thing like always. But however, I'm gonna play the song, and you know, wanna tell me an honest opinion. I wanna think about the song just the same. See? Alright, so I'm gonna start it right now.
Murder on the beat, so it's not nice.
Want me a mouth? Put up me pum pum. Make it tongue go. Lick, lick, lick. I don't want no man right. Want me a mouth? Make that tongue go.
Jesus Christ, you see that boy?
Hurry up. Put your back in it.
Look for Megan Thee Stallion. She named Stallion for a reason.
Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back.
Alright, so far the video quality is really nice. I like the video quality. I like the fact you know, the video looked like it was well put together. And the girl them clothes well put on.
Just a little more. Make it well fast but not too much. Big swig like from a sick peacock. Love big dick but that not enough.
Love big dick but that not enough. Shenseea, what you want? What you want? A bumbuckler 30-inch?
Me boom boom suck I'm a quick in. So boy go down by your knees. Me want sit down by your head by your mind. If you die this break lunch and dinner time my legs are open wide. Put up me boom boom. Make it tongue go. Lick, lick, lick. I don't want no man right. Want me a mouth? Make that tongue go. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your
Jesus Christ, look on that skin out there. If only them did move that little emoji there. Jesus Christ.
back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it.
Real hot girl shit. I'm thick, and your face where I wanna sit. The nigga Betty hope you still breathing after this. Make him sweat, get up on his dick and make a mess. Pussy in his face with my ass on his chest, he'll see. Barely ever heard the nigga speak. I don't give a fuck if me and your mama never meet. I'm cool, I don't give a fuck about dude. You must be the shit if I really claim you. Bust it open, bend over, put my back in it. Heat addicted like it got a little crack in it. Suck it like a crab leg, I'm cracking it. Take it out, catch your breath, get back in it. Pink pussy, pink lips, pink tip, slide down on his ski trip. Juicy booty, need the jumpsuit. If he ate it quick, then call me fast food.
Yo, Megan Thee Stallion, bad. Megan Thee Stallion, bad. And the business one, nobody wants to say she bad. You can't sit down for my face and have your ass for my chest too. That is wrong.
Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little more. Pretty girl love, but pretty girl love get suck up. Like the Red Sea, so me drop on.
Well, I'll be honest. Me meet girl already we don't even like the idea of a man a suck them vagina. You see me? So Shenseea me go cut up on the side because you see me? Me know some girls who don't like that. You see me? Yeah.
Boy, when your mouth full don't talk, but pretty girl love get suck
I don't think say them are Jamaican. They are American.
up. Like the Red Sea, so me drop on. Boy, when your mouth full don't talk. Boy, when your mouth full. Shh. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Just a little more.
Yo, Shenseea and Megan Thee Stallion, Little background dancer them never feel in the video. Them could have stay put. That me I tell them could have stay put cause it's all alone right now. Watch it, bumbo claw. Watch it. Alright. So in all honesty, the video was very, very nice. You see me? And of course, sex sell. But however, I don't think Shenseea part of the song they put together properly. The Shenseea we know from split lyrics and you know, don't get me wrong, she's a talented person. But I don't think her talent was present at this very time. But otherwise from that the video was a nice video. Sex sell, and of course, as long as some pervertish man see that, you know, our fans are people who, you know, love them type of thing, yeah. Them are gonna look for it, them are gonna have a high view rate, because currently the song the 2.8 million views, and so far I think it was a good song. I'm not gonna say the entire song wasn't the best in terms of Shenseea part. Megan Thee Stallion part was very, very good, was very well put together. But I just think Shenseea do a very good job on the song, brother. Like Shenseea, when I know if you come on this thing and split lyrics and them thing there, you see me? I never get that, but we have to understand, say, yo, when you come to a label, when you come to a label group, all creativity is taken away from the artist. You see me? Like, whatever them things you are going to sell, whatever them think, you know, people are going to gravitate to, and that them are going to push out. You see me? So, I'm not going to really say she come out by herself. We have to think about producers, managers, label, company and them people. Because like I say, when you sign to a big label, or when you sign to a label where, you know, whatever them say go, you have to basically just do what them say. But I think Shenseea do a very good job on this song. Song could have do a lot better, and she could have do a lot better, because we know you. Shenseea, we know you have talent, so stop hold it down. See me? Stop hold it down. You hold on your blood clot talent like when Sizzler hold on him here with him blood clot turban. Stop holding your talent. That me I tell you. See me? Come out on this thing here. Them big foreign artists and if you come kill up and no song. You see me? You should have killed Megan Thee Stallion. But Megan Thee Stallion, big up yourself because you're hot. You see me? Your bumper fat. You see me? And your lyrics them bad too. But that later. Not about your bumper. You see me? But anyway, comment down below and let me know what you think. If you like the song, if you think she could do a better job, if you think the song is alright, if you think she deliver, let me know what you think. Personally, I don't think she deliver how me expect it. But let some comment down below. We'll look for at least 10 likes on the video. So hopefully, as a matter of fact, I'm telling you to click the subscribe button from the beginning to me eager for watching the song. So please, click the subscribe button and let me know what you think. See me? Comment down below, leave a like and share.